अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? आज मैं आप चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने आप पर और अपने इर्द गिर्द की एनवायरनमेंट पर गौर कीजिए। हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में कितने लिविंग क्रीचर्स रहते हैं और कितने प्लांट्स रहते हैं। कभी आपने नोटिस किया है कि इन इर्द गिर्द प्लांट्स और लिविंग क्रीचर्स की आपके साथ क्या रिलेशनशिप है? मिसाल के तौर पे आपने जो भी गर्मियाँ गुजरी हैं उनमें कितने मैंगोज खाए हैं? आपके घर का जो बाहर गार्डन है उसमें आपने कितने इंसेक्ट्स देखे हैं? There are so many different types of cats and dogs, fruits and vegetables, and all other animals including us humans around us. आप सिंपल एक डॉग की एग्जांपल ही देख लें। अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आप लिस्ट बनाए डिफरेंट डॉग की ब्रीड्स की, तो वो लिस्ट कितनी लंबी हो जाएगी, है ना? ना सिर्फ डॉग्स की, but there is so much variety to life. You see all these colorful birds and fish when you visit the aquarium or the zoo. You see so many different types of insects every day, the different types of plants all around us, from trees to flowers to shrubs and herbs. हमें ये पता है कि कुछ एनिमल्स बड़े होते हैं जैसे एलिफेंट और ब्लू व्हेल, और कुछ टाइनी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं जो कि वी कैन नॉट इवन सी विद आवर नेकेड आई। बैक्टीरिया, वायरसेस भी माइक्रोस्कोपिक होते हैं। In short, we are all aware and constantly witnessing the huge variety of life on our planet Earth. And this large variety of life is called biodiversity. The term biodiversity comes from biological diversity. It refers to the variety of life on Earth. Biodiversity is anything and everything from humans to all the other organisms. साइंटिस्ट ने रिसेंटली एस्टिमेट किया है कि दे आर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 8.7 मिलियन स्पीशी ऑन अर्थ। और इससे भी ज़्यादा फैसिनेटिंग बात यह है दैट ओनली 1.2 मिलियन स्पीशी हैव बीन आइडेंटिफाइड। बाकियों का तो अभी हमें पता ही नहीं है। बायोडाइवर्सिटी अफेक्ट्स द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ इकोसिस्टम्स एंड द सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशंस. We all get our food from different and diverse species of animals and plants. The medicines used to treat a wide range of diseases is also sourced from thousands of types of plants and even fungus. Biodiversity can be observed in all the different kinds of ecosystems present on our earth. Biodiversity has a large value on its own, and also because it provides us with the basic necessities like food, shelter, and medicines. It is also responsible for the stability of our ecosystems. And our ecosystems control all the natural systems like pollination, water purification, nutrient cycling, and so forth. Other than the known benefits, biodiversity and its mysteries may also hold so many other benefits for us, like medicines and so many other unknown things. बात यह है कि we wouldn't simply be alive without biodiversity, because it provides us with oxygen, control of pests and diseases, and also with well-maintained biodiversity, we can have a better control over floods, protection from the sunlight and droughts, and other natural disasters as well. Biodiversity also provides us humans with activities like bird watching, skiing, hiking, camping, and many other outdoor activities. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपने देखा कि बायोडाइवर्सिटी के इतने सारे एडवांटेजेस हैं हमारे लिए। ऑल्सो बायोडाइवर्सिटी हैज़ इंस्पायर्ड म्यूजिशियंस, पेंटर्स, स्कल्प्टर्स, writers, and other artists through centuries with the beautiful landscapes and so much variety in geography. The large number of animals and plants on our planet are the reason that our ecosystem is so balanced. Some animals and plants resemble each other, whereas others are completely different from each other. In order to group animals and plants and insects and fish based on these similarities and differences, various systems have been developed. These systems also name the different living organisms. और इस ग्रुपिंग और नेमिंग को हम कहते हैं क्लासिफिकेशन. Classification is very important, as it helps scientists to identify organisms and better understand the diversity of life, to understand and study the differences and similarities in features and functions between different organisms, to categorize them accordingly. The word classify contains the base word class, which means category, and it comes from the Latin word classis, which actually refers to an army or group called to arms. अब ये जो नेमिंग होती है इट इज़ डन इन अ स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर. ये जो पूरा सिस्टम होता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द लीनियन क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम. ये एक स्वीडिश बॉटनिस्ट कार्लोस लिनियस ने 1700s में डेवलप किया था. उसने कोशिश की थी कि सारे लिविंग थिंग्स को क्लासिफाई कर सके जो उस टाइम पे नोन थी. सो ही ग्रुप टुगेदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट शेयर्ड ऑब्वियस फिजिकल ट्रेट्स such as large number of legs or shape of leaves. And for his contribution, Linnaeus is known as the father of taxonomy. And students, आपको पता है कि उसका system is followed even now. And according to this system, there is a specific order of grouping, जो कि आप अपने सामने भी देख रहे हैं. It starts from species, then we have genus, then we have a family, then we have order, then we have a class, which leads to a phylum, and finally we have a kingdom. इसको याद रखने के लिए you only have to remember a simple sentence, which goes like this. Dear King Philip came over for good soup. अगर आप इस सेंटेंस पे गौर करें तो हर वर्ड का पहला लेटर आपको इस ऑर्डर का बता देगा. Let's start with the kingdom. The kingdom is the largest and the most broad group. It consists of organisms that share just a few basic similarities. Examples are the plant and animal kingdom. And on the other hand, the species is the smallest and most exclusive grouping. It consists of organisms that are similar enough to produce fertile offspring together. The closely related species are grouped together in a genus. And a domain is a group that is larger and more inclusive than the kingdom. Most biologists agree that there are three main domains of life on Earth: bacteria, archaea, and eukaryote. Both bacteria and archaea consist of single-celled organisms. And on the other hand, eukaryote consist of all eukaryotes from single-celled protists to humans. This domain includes the Animalia, animals, Plantae, plants, fungi, and Protista, protists kingdoms. Perhaps the single greatest contribution Linnaeus made to science was his method of naming species. This method is called the binomial nomenclature, which gives each species a unique two-word Latin name consisting of the genus name and the species name. An example is Homo sapiens, the two-word Latin name for humans. क्या आपको पता है कि literally इसका मतलब क्या होता है? It literally means wise human. This is a reference to our big brains. So all the wonderful and diverse organisms of our planet and the newly discovered species are easily named during this method. And क्या आपको पता है? Aristotle was the first to attempt to classify all the kinds of animals. Even though biodiversity mankind के लिए बहुत helpful है, mankind has exploited the earth and all its resources, which have now become threatening for biodiversity. आपको पता है कि biodiversity has declined by more than a quarter in the last 35 years. This is really unfortunate and sad. Man's continuous interference in nature's cycle is threatening the biodiversity. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स के नेचुरल हैबिटेट्स ख़राब और डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुकी हुई हैं डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लियरिंग ऑफ नेचुरल लैंड्स फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल यूज़ एंड द इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन. ये जो सारी इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स हैं जिनमें सब चेंज आया है लाइक क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, all this has negatively affect biodiversity as well. And because of our over extraction of the earth's resources like trees, oil, metals, etc., the world and its diversity are under threat. The major threats include habitat loss, unmanageable consumption of the Earth's resources that cannot be compensated for, pollution of all kinds, and also global climate change. These threats to our environment are all a result of our own activities and irresponsible behaviors. हम ह्यूमंस एनिमल्स के नेचुरल हैबिटेट्स को फैक्ट्रीज में बदल रहे हैं या रोड्स में और सिटीज़ में. हम माउंटेन्स को उड़ा उड़ा के माइनिंग कर रहे हैं and we are dumping the waste whenever we want. We are simply killing the planet by being ignorant to the other life we share it with. हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि इस planet में सिर्फ हम नहीं रह रहे, और भी लोग रह रहे हैं, और भी animals और भी plants रह रहे हैं. But we do not think about that. Students, biodiversity is eroding at an alarming rate. The last time anything comparable happened was 65 million years ago, when a third of all species, including the dinosaurs, was killed off in a mass extinction. The difference is that we are actually the ones causing it. लेकिन एक अच्छी न्यूज़ है, और अच्छी न्यूज़ ये है we can totally turn the situation around if we start educating ourselves and the people around us. We can start at our own level. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप आज सबसे रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना शुरू हो जाएं और अपनी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स को भी इस चीज़ के बारे में एजुकेट करें. और आप अपना रोल कैसे अदा कर सकते हैं? यू कैन ट्राई टू प्लांट मोर ट्रीज़. आप एक किचन गार्डन बना सकते हैं विद योर लोकल प्लांट्स एंड हर्ब्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. और पानी को कम से कम इस्तेमाल करने के लिए यू कैन से नो टू प्लास्टिक. यू कैन रिमेंबर द 3 R's: रीयूज़, रिसाइकल एंड रिफ्यूज़. आप अपनी बॉटल्स को रीयूज़ और रिसाइकल भी कर सकते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग टू द शॉपकीपर एंड गेटिंग प्लास्टिक बैग्स फ्रॉम देम, आप एक ग्रोसरी बैग कपड़े का बना हुआ अपने पास रख सकते हैं या अपनी गाड़ी में कॉन्स्टेंट रखा करें, और जब ग्रोसरी करने जाएं तो वो कपड़े वाला बैग यूज़ किया करें. एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू लिमिट द यूज़ ऑफ व्हीकल्स. इंस्टेड ट्राई टू टेक योर बाइसिकल व्हेनेवर यू कैन. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, if all mankind works together, we can overcome the drastic effects of our ignorance. हमेशा याद रखिए, change always starts with you. And this is what I want you guys to think. This is our earth and we need to take care of it before it's too late. चलें, अब हम इस एपिसोड के कुछ अहम नुकात पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1, the term biodiversity refers to the variety of life on earth at all levels, from genes to ecosystem, and covers the evolutionary, ecological, and cultural processes that sustain life. Number 2, biodiversity provides functioning ecosystems that supply oxygen, clean air and water, pollination of plants, pest control, recreation, wastewater treatment, and many ecosystem services. Number 3, classification is an important step in understanding life on Earth. The lineage system is based on similarities in obvious physical traits. It consists of a hierarchy of groups, from the kingdom to the species, and each species is given a unique 2-word Latin name. Number 4, the loss and destruction of forests, wetlands, coral reefs, and other ecosystems is one of the greatest threats to biodiversity. Number 5, we can participate in biodiversity conservation by increasing our knowledge of environmental issues, increasing our awareness of the impacts of biodiversity loss, and increasing support for the government policies and actions that conserve our valuable ecosystems. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. Question number 1. What is biodiversity? A. A type of grouping system. B. A brand of oil. C. The spread and variety of all living things. D. A plant species. The correct answer is C. The spread and variety of all living things. Number 2. Which of the following does biodiversity not contribute to? A. Food. B. Clothes. C. Wireless internet. D. petrol. The correct answer is C. Wireless internet. Number 3. The scientific name for an organism is made from the A. Class and family name, B. Genus and species name, C. Domain and kingdom name, D. Kingdom and phylum name. The correct answer is B. Genus and species name. Number 4. Molds, yeast, and mushrooms belong to the kingdom A. Eubacteria, B. Archaea, C. Bacteria, D. Fungi. The correct answer is D. Fungi. Number 5. What is the most major threat to biodiversity today? A. Habitat destruction by humans, B. Poaching, C. Disease, D. Hunting. The correct answer is A. Habitat destruction by humans. स्टूडेंट्स, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.